Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add Torrentio on Stremio. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for stremio.com. Open up the Stremio official website and download the required and correct version suitable for your PC. And after downloading and installing the application, just run it. After that, open up a new tab in the browser and just search for a specific URL that I'm typing in. It's torrentio.stream.fun/configure. Give it a go and then a page will pop up in front of you. Now sequence the settings like so and then click on install. A prompt will appear on the top of the screen. Just select open Stremio and your Stremio application will launch. Select install and then Torrentio will start installing. After that, a banner stating Torrentio installed successfully will float on your screen. That means that Torrentio is now successfully added into your Stremio account. To get the complete effect, go over to your start menu and then just restart your PC and you're done. That's how you can add Torrentio on Stremio as an add-on. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.